how to create a radial symmetry design in Affinity Photo. First thing you do, go over here to the paintbrush tool. Go in here with 48 pixels, symmetry set on. And also 16 and mirror is set on and lock. So it's fixed in the center. This is the symmetry. Now I'm using this ink brush, a Comic G pen in the ink section. And I'm using black initially. So first layer, there's nothing there. As soon as I apply this brush, a layer will appear. And just apply it at the center. So you can see the center. I'm using an art pad and pen. Probably makes it easier, but you can use a mouse. And you can just create a few lines there, but don't go all the way to the edge. Just go like that. Finish at that point. Because then what I want to do is select here the move tool. And I'm going to go to layer and duplicate linked. And what that does, it creates a duplicate linked. Anything I apply to one layer is applied to all the other layers. Now I can resize this one. So just drag that down just a little bit and put it in the center again. Now you could use alignment. I'm just doing it by eye. And again, layer and duplicate linked. And repeat that. Resize it a bit. You could rotate it as well. Perfectly reasonable. You could rotate them. Maybe create 10 or 15. Rotate each of them just slightly. Layer and duplicate linked. And they have to be duplicate linked. You see this little link. And again, resize. Again, position it in the center. All right, they're all there now. And what you can do, you can go to the bottom one or any of them and apply the brush again. Just go over here to the paintbrush tool and apply. So every time you apply it, you can see it's applied all the way around as well as all the way down to the center. Now it would be really great if Affinity had that feature as part of the symmetry. So you could just go like that. So if I apply it there, you can see it each and every there all the way around and here and here. And I can do exactly the same. So again, everything's applied all the way around. And now you can go to the edge. It's just I didn't want to go to the edge before that. You can see the design there. Now what you can also do, of course, change the colour. Change the brush stroke. You don't have to go with the same one. So select another brush and then apply. And now you can see the purple applied all the way, symmetry, radial as well. Again, going outwards there. And change the colour again, maybe go for red. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please leave in the comments. Always great to hear from you. Thank you much.